So we were getting ready to go to Europe, and when we were getting ready to do our weekend laundry, the dryer suddenly broke. The heat and all is working, but the drum isn't spinning anymore.
Yeah, first we have to remove these two screws. Yeah, and remove the top panel. And just once you remove, you also have to remove the front plate panel by unscrewing over here. I think the belt is kind of broken. You can see. Yeah, this is the belt which is kind of broken.
So this is the old dryer belt,
Which is kind of broken.
and then this is the new one that we're about to replace it with.
Okay. Okay, now we fixed. So there's a small trick over here, so it has to stay correctly over here, fit, and both the pulley and the tensioner has to be on the right place. So you have to keep rotating the drum and make sure it fits. You are able to rotate. Okay, that's it.